Hey, here we have the multiplication of two complex numbers and we're asked to simplify. So it looks like a full method, but the numbers we have are 4 minus 2i, and that is times 6 plus 3i. So like I said, we'll use a full. So first will be 4 times 6, which will be 24. Outer will be 4 times 3i, so that would be plus 12i. Inner will be negative 2i plus times 6, so that'll be minus 12i. And last will be negative 2i times a positive 3i, so that'll be minus 6i squared. One thing that happens is the outer and inner, the 12i and the negative 12i cancel. So condensing that down, we have 24 minus 6i squared. You may recall that I squared is the same thing as negative 1. So we can replace I squared with negative 1. So this becomes 20 plus 6 if we say negative 6 times negative 1. So eventually this thing simplifies down to the real number 30. Now, they don't always simplify down to just a real part. They may have a complex or imaginary part as well, but this one did. So just kind of keep that in mind. So even if we stopped at 24 minus 6i squared, that would not be good because we said we never want to leave an exponent other than 1 on an I. So make sure we continue going there. Thank you.